Two parcels today, guys. My brake lever with master cylinder with the reservoir, so I bought the full top end kit. So hooray, exciting. Okay, what have we got? Oh, look at this. Another beautiful piece of kit. Thanks to Richard Frost for the recommendation. So why I bought this actually is because obviously I've got one on the bike, but the reservoir's tiny, and I'm not sure if that affects the braking or not. Certainly, it's not. The brakes on it are not as good as the 6-pots I had on my original RG. They are identical, I think, from a GSXR 400 to a GSXR 1100. I think they use the same brakes, brake calipers. Maybe it's, I don't know what it is, but they are just not as sharp. So I thought I'd just try this out. So yeah, look at that. Oh, that looks sweet as. Just really nice. Okay, yeah, cool. Get that fitted at the weekend. Now let's go and have a look at my other item that came today. So this is the Abba stand, obviously just boxed. I'll take a little while to probably assemble that, but that's to lift the bike so I can get my suspension in. So happy days. So I've decided that I will try and build this tonight. Serious piece of kit, looks really good. It says key thing, watch the videos, but I'll try from the manual. But yeah, really solid bit of kit, as you'd expect. Lifting a motorcycle will lift apparently 400 kilos. I think mine's about, what's mine, about 130, 150, so good. So just notice this is actually a British product, and it is really well made. Step one, just grab a wheel with a brake on, stick a spacer in, and lock it onto the actual frame, and yeah, really solid. So first little thing, obviously these are locking nuts, so as you'd expect, thanks Abba Stands for the lovely Allen key. But we're going to need some at the other side to hold it, so I would say a bit pointless giving me an Allen key without a spanner, but maybe that's thinking a bit too much, but luckily I've got one. Put the wheels on, really easy obviously. Just slid these 3 bars into the main body unit, just lock these down. I really like that the unit's been packaged well. They've done good on that. Have supplied an Allen key for every item. And I'm surprised actually it's not as big. Somebody did comment before I bought this saying space would be an issue of storage. This isn't big. This is great. You know, that'll go in the corner of the garage, no problem at all. Getting this piece on over the top was a little bit stiff, but I've got it on there. And then the hydraulic element, it's just a case of dropping it on there. It's all greased up at the factory, which is cool. The only thing is, again, didn't supply me a 24mm socket, did you, to put this on? I don't expect that. It's a bit weird for me that they do the Allen keys and not all of it, but that's just a small thing, really. Okay, so I've got to a part in the instructions where it says that this supplied pin and clip on the foot lever, it's got a lot of free play, so they've supplied a bolt, nut and bolt, and they said, oh, put it on, but make sure you use washers. Well, they didn't supply the washers, so luckily found some in the garage. So yeah, that's a bit pants. Should have supplied something if it's in the instructions, but we'll keep going. Okay, so I've swapped this out for my washered bolt. This just simply take all this off, put it back on, obviously through here. That's all good. I've now just put this assembly on, just bolted this last piece on. I'm not sure about the special RG500. Okay, maybe there is a mil difference. Yeah, there it is. Moves around. It's not as big as I thought it would be. Really cool. And then you just put put your boot on there and up it goes. Really smooth, really cool.